Today we're gonna make two of my favorite dip recipes, which are guacamole and salsa. I love guacamole, and every time I get my hands on beautiful ripe avocados, that will be the first thing I'll make. Hello, Rafael.
Oh, hi.
Welcome to my kitchen.
Thanks.
You're so cute. How old are you, Rafael?
I'm 11 years old.
You're 11 years old?
Yeah.
You're quite tall.
Thanks.
Okay, we've done the chopping, most of it at least, so it's gonna be really easy.
Okay, that's good.
So we've got some beautiful ripe avocados. So now, while I do the rest of the avocados,
Okay.
you can help add all the other ingredients into the bowl.
Alright.
And I can tell you what they are one by one.
Okay, so I just pour all of them in?
Yeah, do you know what that is?
This is cheese,
Smell it, smell it.
chopped garlic.
Yes!
Oh, yeah.
There you go. I've got a
Thank you.
cute little spatula for you. So what do you normally help your mom with?
I normally help her. Mostly, I just stir a lot. That's what I just know.
But what does she normally cook?
Noodles, rice,
Oh, nice.
and other stuff, I guess.
Nice. So who is the better cook at home? You, your mom, or your brother?
My mom. She's really great. She's an expert.
Do you know what that is? Where you just add it?
Salad?
That was green chilies.
Oh.
Yeah, so we remove the seeds because we don't want it to be very spicy. The actual recipe calls for guacamole pula. What do you call that? Jalapeno. But we don't have that.
Okay.
So
Sounds
green
spicy.
chilies is fine. It's not really spicy, it's like peppery.
Oh.
Yeah.
I love pepper.
Okay, that one that you just added is coriander.
Ooh, never heard of it before.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And let me guess, is this spring onion?
Yes! Wow.
Okay.
Not bad, not bad.
I also help my mom cut the spring onion sometimes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So this is what I'm talking about. You see, sometimes the seed will still be in the fruit. So what you do is just sort of knock it and
Twist
then
it?
move it. Yeah.
Okay.
Twist it and like that.
Oh, it looks
Yeah.
easy actually.
Yeah, it is easy. Those are cherry tomatoes.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
Okay, so you want to add the creme fraiche,
Ooh.
which is basically cultured cream. Yeah. You gonna try it?
Wait, you mean I can eat it raw?
Yeah. Ooh, you can use your finger
Okay.
and lick it. I allow that.
Okay, thank you.
You know that's the best part of cooking,
I know. I always do that at home with my mom.
Yeah.
Oh, it's delicious actually.
right? I love that laugh. Can you do it again? Okay, so you wanna mix it now.
Okay.
Okay, you're doing a great job.
Thank you.
Now we're gonna add some lime. If
Alright.
our lime is big, you only need one.
Okay.
If it's not so big, you'll need two.
Alright.
This is pretty good, so I think I'm gonna add one first. Do you know what you should do to get the most juice out of your lime?
You cut it in half and then squeeze it.
Yeah, you gotta squeeze it, but to make it easy to squeeze,
Yeah.
you kind of roll it like on a
Uh-huh.
flat surface. So you just do this.
Alright.
So this will make the lime release more juice.
Ooh.
Yeah, when you
I never
squeeze
do
it.
that.
Yeah, because you're loosening the pulp inside. Another trick is to pop it in the microwave for about 10 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah. If you don't have lime, you can also use lemon, but it's better with lime.
Alright.
I think one is enough.
Yeah, it looks like it. It looks like a lot.
Yeah, it is a lot. You're so smart. Like I don't need. Why am I teaching you? Okay, you can mix it again.
Okay.
Okay, when you're
Thank
stirring it, what you can do is sort of press it down because you want the you want the avocados to sort of be like a bit mashed up
Yeah.
so you get better flavor. Okay, can you do that?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
I can try.
Alright, so we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Do you like my salt?
Oh yeah, it looks cool. It looks colorful. It's pink and white.
It's so pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gonna add a little bit of salt. We're gonna add a little bit of honey.
Ooh.
So this is just to balance the flavor. Do you like honey?
Yeah, I love honey.
Okay, I'll let you lick this later.
Thank you.
You know, I used to do that when I was a kid.
Yeah, I do that too, always. Like when my mom is like blending some stuff, I'll just lick the balance.
Really?
Yeah, especially cookie dough.
Yeah,
I love those.
that's what I like too. And cake batter.
Yeah.
They're the best. This is, smell this. This is one of my favorite ingredients. Not too close, you're gonna sneeze.
Okay.
Can you smell it?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
It is turmeric.
No, it's smoked paprika.
Oh.
Smell it. It smells like sausages. Like,
Yeah.
it smells so good.
I actually have paprika at home. I don't really use it a lot.
So now you know what you can use it
Yeah.
for. So we're done. This is done. Do you know how to salsa?
No, I don't know. I do not know how to do the salsa.
Do you know how to? You don't know how to make salsa.
I don't know how to make the salsa
But
or
you know how to-
dance.
Oh!
I don't know how to do that.
I don't know either. I thought you could teach me. Man!
Man.
Oh man! Now we just have to make the salsa.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so here are the ingredients for salsa. It's pretty
Alright.
easy. This is my version of salsa. You can also like pop everything in a food processor.
Alright.
But I like it chunky
Alright.
so that you get that nice bite when you eat it, right?
Yes.
So we've got some cherry tomatoes.
Mm-hmm.
You want to taste some?
Yeah, sure.
I like having tomatoes raw. Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's quite sweet, right?
Yep.
Good. Do you feel like spitting it out? No?
Nah.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's good actually. I just don't like the big ones.
Okay. So we're gonna throw in our cherry tomatoes and our beautiful ripe tomatoes. I'm just gonna give it a quick chop. And then the shallots. You know what shallots are?
Yeah. Yeah.
Tiny onions.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
We've got our coriander as well.
Yeah.
And then the chopped garlic.
Okay.
And we've got our chopped green chilies.
Yeah.
Or, you know, we can also use jalapenos.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't have them, right?
We don't have them.
Okay.
Smart boy. Alright. And time for our lime.
Alright. Alright.
And you can put a little bit of salt in it as well.
Alright.
Yeah, like that. Your
Okay.
hands got to be like that. No, like this. Okay, it's gonna be too much salt now. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so we're gonna put some honey. Not too much. You
Alright.
don't want it sweet.
Okay.
We just want to balance the flavor. I think we're done. You wanna try it? So you need to keep this in the fridge
Alright.
for at least half an hour for it to set so that all the vegetable can release its juices. Because right now it might taste a little bit like raw. Can you salsa now?
I'm just doing anything.
Okay, we're gonna keep this in the fridge now.
So here's my guacamole and salsa. I love these dips so much. Now I'm serving them with nachos and chili con carne. But it's also a perfect condiment for your burgers and sandwiches or even eggs.